fried chapatis with Chef Josh or Musisi. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. I'm Chef Josh or Musisi from Kampala, Uganda. So today, I'm here to show you how to make classic deep fried chapatis. We are going to begin with the chapatis when you're applying baking powder. I'm going to be showing you two versions, and don't learn alone. Please share this recipe with each and everyone in your inbox on WhatsApp. So we are going to start by applying water. So we are going to apply water in the bowl. Then after applying water, you can apply it in the bowl, in the saucepan, anything. You are going to apply salt next. So you apply enough salt. Make sure that the salt tastes. Then after, you are going to divide this water into two. You are going to divide this water into two portions. So you are going to apply some little water in the saucepan, then you leave some in the bowl. Then the one that remains in the bowl, we are going to apply grated onions. We are going to apply grated onions or minced onions. Then after, you are going to apply grated and minced ginger. Then after applying ginger, we are going to apply grated carrots. We are going to apply grated carrots. We are doing deep fried chapatis, classic ones. Trust me, you are going to love them. After that, we are going to mix a little bit. Then you are going to apply an egg. Remember, this is Chef Josh or Musisi from Kampala, Uganda. Then after applying an egg, you are going to mix. So I'm going to request you comment which part of the country are you watching me in, plus your names. Then you are going to apply cooking oil. You're going to apply 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So you're going to comment your name plus which country are you watching my recipes in. Then after, we are going to apply baking powder. Baking powder, you're going to apply 1 tablespoon leveled. Baking powder, you're going to apply 1 tablespoon leveled. Then after applying baking powder, you're doing deep fried chapatis. Deep fried chapatis. The chapatis we cook in much oil. So after that, we are going to measure 2 cups of wheat flour. 2 full cups of wheat flour. 2 full cups of wheat flour. Then after measuring, so we are measuring the first cup. After measuring the first cup, you are going to apply it in our bowl. Then we are going to also measure the second cup. New viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. So we are measuring the second cup. Then after the second cup, we also apply it here. Then after, you're going to start kneading, or you're going to start mixing. Make sure that you mix slowly by slowly. When you see that the dough still demands some little flour, you put some little wheat flour. If you see that it's demanding some little water, then you get on the water which we separated, then you apply some little water. Make sure that the dough is not too hard and it's not too soft. This dough has to be a little bit soft than the one for the chapatis we do pan fry. Then make sure that it's not sticking into your hands. After that, we are going to finish off with some cooking oil. Then we are going to rest it for 20 to 30 minutes. You are going to rest it for 20 to 30 minutes. This is Chef Josh Musisi from Kampala, Uganda. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe. Then after those minutes, we are going to mold into even balls. We are going to make into even balls. So make into your favorable even balls. It depends on the size you need. So after that, you leave them aside. Then we are going to do also the second version. The second version of the chapatis, we are going to use soda bicarbonate or baking soda. So I'm going to request you watch carefully. Then we are going to start by applying water in the bowl. After applying water, we are going to apply enough salt. After applying enough salt, we are going to divide the water like we did in the first version when we were using baking powder. Then after, we are going to divide the water. After dividing water in the bowl, we are going to apply minced onions or grated. Then we are going to apply grated and minced ginger. Then we are going to apply grated carrots. After applying carrots, we are going to apply an egg. You apply 1 egg. Then after that, we are going to mix. You are going to mix a little bit. So if you want to do many chapatis, you double the ingredients. If you want to do much chapatis, double the ingredients. Then you are going to apply cooking oil. After applying cooking oil, we are going to set them aside. Then we measure our wheat flour. We are going to measure wheat flour 2 cups. So measure wheat flour 2 cups. You apply them in another bowl, not the other one. Measure 2 cups of wheat flour, then you apply them in an empty bowl. Then in that empty bowl, we are going to apply soda bicarbonate, 1 tablespoon. You can see I first applied half a tablespoon, then secondly I put the second half. So you use 1 tablespoon leveled of soda bicarbonate. Then after you're going to get these dry ingredients, we apply them in the wet ingredient. Then we mix like we did. I'm going to request you, please try this recipe. You will not regret. Then after, you're going to apply prestige margarine 1 tablespoon. You can use prestige margarine, you can use unsalted butter, you can use Blue Band, anything of your choice. So you apply prestige margarine, you knead it again. Then after, you finish off with some little wheat flour. Make sure that this dough is not too hard. Make sure that this dough is not also too soft. So we need it more soft than the one we do the pan-fried one, the pan-fried chapati. Then after, we are going to finish off with some cooking oil. Then also rest it. After resting it, then we make into even balls. Then we are going to put our cooking oil on fire, but make sure that the oil is too hot. So put the oil in the saucepan, in the frying pan, and make sure that the oil is too hot. So as the oil is getting hotter, we are going to start rolling. So you're going to start rolling your chapati. Don't put much wheat flour. Even you can roll it with cooking oil. Then after, we are going to bring our chapati, enlarge it a little bit with your hands. Then after, you start deep frying it. Don't leave it for a long period of time. You can see, after deep frying the first side, you deep fry the second side. Even it will not take like 10 seconds or 15 seconds when you are deep frying it. Because the longer you leave it, it will become hard. That means that's why you have to deep fry it in very hot oil so that it can get ready very fast. This is Chef Josh Omusisi from Kampala, Uganda. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. This is Chef Josh Omusisi. So you deep fry the first side. After deep frying the first side, you also deep fry the second the second side. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Whoever watching this video, please don't forget to share this video with each and everyone. Don't learn alone. I want you to comment in the comment section. Comment where you're watching my video from. Your name plus the country you're watching my videos from. See you.